Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make this non-greasy green tea moisturizer for face and neck. You can use it on other body parts as well. It's very easy to make, so let's see how it's made. First I'm gonna take 1 tablespoon of beeswax and I'm gonna put it in this bowl. Then I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, next I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of macadamia oil, and finally I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of almond oil. Now I'm gonna put this bowl with all these ingredients into a double boiler and I'm gonna wait until everything melts. You can also put it on the stove in order to speed up the process. So it has melted. Now I'm gonna take 2 tea bags of green tea and I'm gonna put them in. And I'm gonna put it back on the double boiler. Leave it in the double boiler for like 25 to 30 minutes. It's also good to keep it on the stove because the infusion will be better that way. And when everything is done, I'm gonna take another bowl. I'm gonna put a cheesecloth over it and I'm simply gonna pour the oils with the tea in. And here we are. It's already pretty solid, although it's summer. Now I'm gonna start whisking this. I want this to become nice and creamy. And I'm gonna whip it until I'm happy with the consistency of the cream. When I'm done with this, I'll go to the water phase, so I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. And I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of rose water. This is going to make the cream non-greasy, otherwise it would be pretty greasy. And now I'm gonna repeat the process again. So I'm gonna whisk everything once again until everything is nice and combined. You can also add some essential oil if you like. For example, I add here some lemon essential oil, but you can add other oils if you prefer. And we are done. So when you're done with this and when you're happy with your cream, just put it in some other container. I'm just reusing this one from a face cream I bought a while ago. And I'm just gonna store it here and you can use it on a daily basis. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day. See you in my next video. Bye.